everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Vanshika Goyal, and if you're new to this channel then do subscribe down below and hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. In today's video I will be doing a jewelry haul as requested. In the previous fashion video I said that I'll do the jewelry part separate. So this is that one video. I have worn a tube top today so that I can show you the neck pieces that I bought from Amazon. And if you want to buy any of these, all the links will be in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. And also let's get started. So for the very first item, I would like to show you these pretty earrings that I got from Miniso Amazon, and this retail for around 300 or 360 rupees. I'll mention all the prices on the screen so that you can definitely check them out. It's really gold chunky earrings with little detailings here, and it looks so good on everyday basis. If you wear this with different outfit, it will definitely go and looks very nice and cute. Second piece that I would like to mention, and I'm already wearing, is this ring, the Evil Eye ring that is here on my finger. So many of you asked me on the Instagram from where you bought it. I bought it from a page named Rakhiwala, and it's really good, so you can definitely check this out. This retailed for 400 rupees, but I think it's a bit expensive, but I think it's really nice. And मैं पानी में इसको लेके जा रही हूँ. It is not getting rusted at all. That is pretty nice. So guys, moving forward to the first necklace that I would be showing you is my absolute favorite. I have a bunch of them, but this one has my heart. This is the Evil Eye pendant from a company named Zivome.com, and they had so many variety on Amazon. The quality is really good, and it comes in a plastic packaging like this. It's so small. This necklace is, I think, the smallest among the all, and this is how it looks. I'll just show you. You can only see the what do you call it, the chain right now. It's very delicate. The problem with this necklace is this only, that it's super delicate, and this is how it looks. It has a pendant here. Can you guys see? It has a Evil Eye pendant here and looks very pretty and nice. And I don't know why I am just obsessed with this Evil Eye thing lately. I think I saw a lot of bloggers on Instagram wearing it, and I want to try all of that. That's why I got it, but it is really nice in quality. So guys, this is how it looks on my neck. Very simple. So if you're wearing a tank top, it will definitely look much better on that. I am unable to close it because it's really delicate and thin. I don't want to break it, but this is how it looks, and it's very elegant, like super elegant. And you can also wear this with shirts, and white crop top and everything will look so nice with this. So guys, so the second accessory that I would like to show is from the brand named Shining Diva. I ordered a bunch of stuff. Shining Diva se around 8 to 9 necklaces, and all of them came good. Koi bhi nothing was broken as such, and the delivery was quite fast. And all of the product that I'll mention in the video is under 500 rupees. So these are the chunky earrings, So these are the chunky earrings. I buy them a lot because I tend to lose them like on everyday basis. I got this, and this was really cheap. So it has same type of earrings, one in silver and one in golden, and these are little earrings. I'll just show you and open. So okay, this is how it looks. I definitely love the diamond ones and the simple triangle ones. These look so good, and as it comes in silver and golden, so you can pair it up with different type of outfits, and this will look so nice. Like, it's good to have earrings like these in your bags also, because sometimes earrings tend to fall, and then you can definitely put in upper this hole or here, and these look so nice and chic. So the next necklace that I have is from this brand named Jewels Galaxy. तो ये दोनों बहुत ही famous है, the Shining Diva and the Jewels Galaxy on Amazon, and one of my friend Roshni recommended me to get this. And these are the chunky chain wala necklace that you see all over Instagram and also H&M पे available है. कुछ ऐसा है, it's golden in color and this goes really well with a lot of outfits. It's very easy to put. जैसे Evil Eye was a little difficult, but this one is really easy to put. And this is how it looks on my neck. So if you wear something v-neck, it will look really good, or if you wear turtleneck, these type of chains look really nice with that. The quality is good and it's not that heavy as well. So it comes in different colors like silver, golden and rose gold, so you can get anything you want. I usually love to wear golden artificial jewelry and silver as in like real silver. So this is how it looks on my neck. So the next purchase that I did was another necklace, I think. No, it is kind of a bracelet. So I thought of ordering different stuff this time, and this is again from the Shining Diva brand, and it has 4 different bracelets. I'll just open and show you guys. So okay, it's very delicate and it also comes in silver color as well. I got the golden one. I'll just show you, and these are readjustable. So the one has this marble thing going on, the other one is quite simple. It's like a simple bracelet. Okay, so we have 2 more. So this is a pair of 4 bracelets, and on hand, if I put all them together, either you can put all of them together or separately as well. I'll just see if this is my size or not. Okay guys, this is how it looks. The 4 designs are here. It has a bee venom, a triangle, this has the marble top and the simple one. Honest review for this, I like these two and these two as well, but it has a very long chain and it does not fit my hand properly. So my hands are like very patla, but it is pretty. If you are someone who has a little more fat arms, then you can definitely go for this one. But for my size, I think these are pretty loose and ये हाथ से ही निकल जाएगा. And I don't like these long chains, so you have to remove them if you want to wear it. And apart from them, that it looks okay-ish, and I don't even like the quality that much, to be honest. But for the price, I think I got this under 300 rupees. For the price is okay. If you would like to gift it to someone, then it's pretty nice. This is how it looks. So second last purchase from this haul is again from Shining Diva. This is a set of 2 neck piece, one in golden and one in silver. I saw this on someone's Instagram, and these are like 2 different necklace. I think the packaging can be a little more nice, to be honest. It's a little more different than what I thought, and I'll just show you how it looks. So one is in golden color and the other one is in silver. I don't know why, but I really like this one a lot. It has a chunky chain, a small cute heart pendant and a lock here. So this will go really good with turtlenecks and deep v-neck to cover the neckline. And it comes in silver as well, so you can pair it up with different type of outfit. The silver one is exactly same, just in the silver color. I have to do a wear test where I check that if they will get rusted or not, but otherwise the quality wise and the look wise, a 10 on 10 for this one. It looks super pretty. I think I am not happy with the bracelets, but the neck pieces are really good on Amazon. Last but not the least, I have this Indo-Western oxidized jewelry. I wanted to try oxidized jewelry as well and see how the quality is, but I am a little bit disappointed. This was from a brand named Zaveri, I think, and I bought this very simple and nice choker with earrings. The only problem that I have with this piece is it came broken a bit. I don't know how I feel about this, but thoda sa toota hua aaya, but I thought I'll fix it with tape or something. I don't want to return stuff because of this, because it takes a lot of time and there is a lockdown going on right now. So I'll just quickly wear this and show you guys. How it looks. It's very pretty. So यहाँ से it came a little bit broken. ऐसे जुड़ जाएगा, but still. And let's see how it looks on me. Okay, so to be very honest, I love this one. This looks very pretty, and I would wear this with Indian outfit, Western outfits, everything. And this choker is really beautiful. I think when I have tied it really, tight at the back, the broken piece does not even is visible, and this looks so nice actually. And the earrings are also very elegant and pretty. I think it goes with this outfit as well. And this oxidized jewelry is a 10 on 10. Definitely buy this one from Amazon. It was really cheap, and there was so many variety in this one. Absolutely love this. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you guys did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. All the links will be in the description box below for you guys, so check them out and tell me in the comment section what else you want to see on my channel. Until next time, bye.